Hello everyone, I welcome you to Arcastro Science, and today I am back with an astrological yoga for all of you. By the mere presence of this yoga in your horoscope, it can signify that you are highly lucky and fortunate individual. This yoga can bring immense fortune in your life. Whatever may be the task is in your life, you can get success easily. With little bit of hard work and the success is at your feet. You can be very rich and wealthy because of this yoga. You can become highly successful and you can get authoritative position in your work sector, in whatever organization you work for or whatever you do. The name of the yoga is Parvat Yoga. Just by the name we can understand Parvat means mountain, and mountain is very big, everlasting. Similarly, due to the virtue of this yoga, your name, fame, status and success will be everlasting. Just like mountain can be viewed by the people around them, mountain can be easily viewed. Similarly, your name, success, your intelligence and your virtues will be renowned among the people around you. They will cherish because of your intelligence, they will cherish because of your modesty. Your behavior will just like a king. You will enjoy the life of a king. That is the fortunes that this yoga will bring in your life. Come, let us understand what is Parvat Yoga and how the Parvat Yoga actually forms in the horoscope and what are the necessary planetary combinations required for the formation of this yoga. Come, let us understand.
Parvat Yoga, the yoga which makes one rich, famous, intelligent, modest, successful and a king. So let us check what does Jatak Parijat has to say regarding the formation of Parvat Yoga. Two different ways for the formation of the yoga has been defined by Jatak Parijat. First, if benefic planets be in Kendra houses and if 6th house and 8th house are empty, or if they are occupied, then they should be occupied by benefics. Then the resultant yoga is called Parvat Yoga. Here, benefic planets, by which I mean Jupiter, Venus, strong moon or unafflicted Mercury. Kendra houses means 1st house, 4th house, 7th house or 10th house. Yet another definition for the formation of yoga has been mentioned by Jatak Parijat. It states that the lord of the Lagna and 12th lord should be in Kendra to each other in the horoscope, and at the same time they should be aspected by friendly planets. Then the yoga so formed is called Parvat Yoga. These two definitions are given in the Jatak Parijat. Now we will understand the condition for the formation of Parvat Yoga with the help of sample horoscopes. This horoscope is of Aries ascendant, and this will explain the first way by which Jatak Parijat has defined Parvat Yoga. Here, the benefic planets Jupiter and Venus are present in the 4th house and 7th house respectively. That means the first condition is satisfied. And secondly, 6th house is empty, 8th house Mercury is disposited. Now Mercury is a benefic planet, so the second condition is also satisfied. So we can say that here in this chart Parvat Yoga is present. Now we will check what the second way is, how the second way Parvat Yoga is accomplished according to Jatak Parijat. Here this chart is of Taurus ascendant, and the ascendant lord Venus is disposited in the ascendant itself, means the Venus is sitting in the Lagna, first house. 12th lord Mars is sitting in the 10th house. That means Mars and Venus are in Kendra to each other. So we can say the first condition is met. Now we will talk about the second condition. Saturn, the friend of Venus, is aspecting Venus through its third aspect. At the same time, Jupiter, friend of Mars, is aspecting Mars through its ninth aspect. So the second condition is also satisfied, that friendly planets should aspect the Lagna Lord and the 12th Lord. So in this case, according to Jatak Parijat, Parvat Yoga is formed in the horoscope of the native. Now we will talk about the Parvat Yoga in accordance to Phaladipika. Phaladipika gives a different types of condition for the formation of the yoga. It says, if the lord of the sign in which Lagna Lord is posited be in exaltation or own sign, in Kendra or Trikona from the ascendant, then it is termed as Parvat Yoga. Now, Lagna Lord can be posited in any of the 12 signs. The lord of the sign should be in exaltation or own sign. At the same time, it should be in Kendra or Trikona Sthan from the ascendant. Then the resultant planetary combination can be called as Parvat Yoga. Let us check through the sample horoscope. This sample horoscope is of Libra ascendant. The ascendant lord Venus is in the 4th house, in the house of Capricorn. Lord of Capricorn is Saturn. Saturn is sitting in its own house, Aquarius, in the 5th house. That means Saturn, the lord of the sign, is in its own sign Aquarius, and at the same time it is in the 5th house, which is itself a Trikona Sthan. That means both the conditions are satisfied. So according to Phaladipika, this planetary combination can be considered as Parvat Yoga. So out of all these three combinations which I have discussed now, if you are having the planetary combinations like this in your chart, then you can understand that you are having Parvat Yoga in your horoscope. Now the question comes, when will the fructification of this yoga will be coming in the life? Whenever the concerned planets Mahadasa or Antardasa will run, the yoga will be fructified. You will get the results, that is the physical manifestation of the results can be obtained during the Mahadasa and Antardasa of the planets concerned.
So we have seen how Parvat Yoga actually forms, the necessary planetary combinations required for the formation of Parvat Yoga. Here I want to add something. I was talking regarding the Mahadasa and Antardasa of the concerned planets, the Lagna Lord, the 12th Lord, and all the necessary concerned planets which are actually involved in the formation of Parvat Yoga. During the time period of those planets, Mahadasa or Antardasa, you will get the fructification, the results. You may feel that you are getting success very easily. You may feel that you are getting immense riches and wealth. You may feel that you are getting success, name, fame, wealth in foreign lands. Your intelligence and modesty will be reckoned and added on by the people among you. Not only that, according to the classical text Jatak Parijat and Phaladipika, they say that such people will be very intelligent, very wise and very knowledgeable. They will have literary pursuits and they will be a literally ruler of the earth. According to those classical texts, they also say that such people will live a life like a king. So you can understand that how beneficial this yoga is, how powerful this yoga is if this is present in your horoscope. So if you really feel that if this yoga is present in your horoscope, you can comment below. And if you want to have some consultation from me, or if you don't know regarding the whether this yoga is present in your chart or not, then in the description section you can click on the links below so that you can get the consultation from me. And if you have liked this video, press the like button, share it among your near and dear ones so that they must come to know regarding the Parvat Yoga and they can understand how the yoga actually works. Subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon so that every time I make a new video regarding Vedic astrology and you come to know regarding the updates, the necessary updates on Vedic astrology, press the notification bell icon, subscribe to my channel, because every now and then I will be coming up with such videos. So next time when I come back, I will be bringing a new topic for all of you. Till then, I am signing off. Thank you.